Hi, this is Brent from Once a Day Cafe, and today we have cookies and cream ice cream. No churn, no ice cream machine needed, super easy and super good, so let's do this. For ingredients, you'll need vanilla extract, heavy whipping cream, evaporated milk, and some Oreo cookies. Grab your mixer. You can also do this in a bowl and hand mixer. Add in your heavy whipping cream. Your evaporated milk, 1 can of condensed milk. This is the only sugar you'll be adding, so this is what makes it sweet. And also some vanilla extract. You can also use real vanilla if you want to get fancy. Start mixing it up. I like to start mixing it slow so it doesn't splash and gets well mixed. This is going to take about 5 minutes until you want stiff peaks. So we'll see what we got here. Still very thin, very soupy, not even soft peaks. Keep on going. A couple minutes later, starting to get thicker. I think we're almost there. And there it is. Stiff peaks. Put your Oreos in a bag, smash it up. I left the cream and the cookies in there. Makes the ice cream just a little bit more creamy. And when you're smashing the Oreos, doesn't have to be perfect. You want small chunks, you want big chunks. It is all good. Alright, grab your ice cream, put it in a bowl. You can also use the original mixing bowl and just dump in your Oreo crumbles. Easy enough, mix it all together. Mix how you want, less cookies, more cookies. It's all up to you. Alright, now we need to just put it in a container. I would recommend putting it in one large airtight container to be put in the freezer. I'm putting it in these small cups, easier for us to eat. When you're all done, we'll just put it in the freezer. At least 6 to 8 hours. Overnight's even better. And here we are. Cookies and cream ice cream. Really good, super creamy. Can't beat it. As always, share, subscribe, and enjoy.